In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix Adobe Acrobat Reader not opening on your computer or laptop. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This issue can obviously be super frustrating because it does prevent you from opening and viewing PDF files. So we're going to walk you through a bunch of different fixes that you can try. Make sure to follow each step though, because one of these solutions should help you resolve that problem. First things first, find a PDF file on your computer. For example, I have this one right now, which usually just opens up in Chrome. But essentially, you need to right click on it and hit open with, right? And as soon as you go ahead and find this open with, go ahead and open it with another app first and then close out of it, and then hover over open with again, go to choose another app, and then this go to choose an app on your PC and find Adobe Acrobat. Make sure that you tick on the option that says always use this app right here when you select it. So for example, if I was switching, I would hit like Microsoft Edge and then hit always instead. I'm just going to keep it on this for now though. And then from here, try and opening up that file again. If that doesn't fix the issue, try the next method, and that's going to be going down to this search bar and typing in Task Manager. Open up Task Manager. Once you do find it, go ahead and use the scroll or use the search or scroll through the list to find any processes related to Adobe Acrobat. I'd recommend just searching Adobe just like so, hitting enter, and if anything related to Adobe in here, just go through, select all of them, and hit in task. From here, I also would recommend restarting your PC. That just helps sometimes as well. And then reopening up Adobe Acrobat and see if that works. If it does still have any issues, just right click on Adobe Acrobat and then hit run as administrator, just like so. See if that works. If you're still having issues though, go ahead and just highlight it, delete it, and completely remove it. And then go ahead and search up uninstall. Go to this section, search for apps, and type in Adobe Acrobat, then click the little three dots here and hit uninstall as well, and then reinstall it through Creative Cloud or through the Adobe Acrobat website, however you installed it the first time. It really is as simple as that though. One of these should fix that for you. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.